Okay, this is, I believe these guys are named Taylor, the boy and his dad. They got this carburetor and he says they've had it rebuilt and it won't plane. And we're about to find out. As you see, I'm plugging the fuel line in. I'm going to turn the fuel pump on. Of course, you see our pump, we only run 3 pounds of pressure. I don't know how many he's running. So we're going to see now if it'll start up. Now, let me just say one thing. I have turned this choke off. This choke was slammed completely shut like that, which would make it start, but the motor would never level out. I do not know if that was the trouble or not, but it certainly is wrong. That's why we don't like these kind of chokes. So we're going to send him, the new carburetor is going to have electric one on, which you leave it alone until it gets 35 degrees out. And I want him to please follow instructions. Here we go. Okay, we're letting our computer warm up right here. The little red light goes out, it'll show you what this carburetor is doing. In a minute, the computer is calculating. That is about 12 to 1, which is the mixture, which is just about perfect. I mean, it is perfect. That's what we would set it at. If this is a brand new carburetor, that's exactly right. I haven't touched anything. For some reason, this thing has went to extremely lean condition, and it done completely run out of gas. Hang on a minute. Our test motor's out of fuel. Yep. Yeah, okay. Okay, here we go. Back at it again. Does now. Well, you're right back. You're very good right there. The carburetor's got a flat spot hesitation right there. Very bad flat spot hesitation right there. That would cause you some problems. But if you could get it past that right there with good timing, way lean. That'll burn an engine up right there. I'd say if you put this on a boat and you babied it up and babied it up, you probably could get it to run. But it is certainly not in very good condition. It needs to be rebuilt or replaced. And but as far as starting it and everything else, see it go lean? See it go lean? That's absolutely a killer right there. So carburetor's definitely bad. But if it was eased up, oh, it's running terrible there. Yeah, that would not be good on a boat. I'm gonna shut it off.